everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be attempting my largest dip ever. It is a 12-inch by 16-inch traditional backstapled canvas, artist level 1 at Michael's. I previously attempted to do my dip, but the canvas slid and it ruined it, so this is technically my second attempt. I'm going to do a split black and white. I'm using colors deep violet, rose pink, and bright aqua green from Liquitex. I'm using metallic cobalt blue, old gold, titanium white, and Mars black from Artist Loft. I'm laying down the black first. The pouring medium is my usual 50-50 white and Elmer's glue. Spread this out. I normally don't use larger canvases. I believe my largest dip is a 11 by 7, I think. Y'all can probably hear my dogs in the background. They're playing. They always play. Technically, they're still puppies. You can probably hear my TV too. My mom's watching TV. Okay. Got the black down. Now, the rest will be white. I have more black, so I might make the black whiter. So I'm not going to pour the white right at the edge of the black. I already marked down my corners, and because the canvas is large, I put some marks halfway. Okay, I'm going to spread this out a little bit before I add more. I don't want to put too much down. I use tape to kind of stretch the trash bag out. It's just a small trash bag for like a bathroom trash can or something like that. The consistency ratio is close to a 2:1 ratio. 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. Okay. Trying to make sure there's not any thin areas, because you want to make sure that the plastic is covered enough so that there won't be when you get to lay the canvas down, so that all the paint will cover the canvas. You want to make sure of that. Okay, let me get the rest of my black. That's not much. I'm just going to add a little thin line, I guess. Go across as much as I can. So this is going to be the bottom of it. The nose itches, sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to pour white down, fill in the gap. match the white up to the black. There's a few thin areas. I'm gonna cover those. And in my experience, this uses less paint compared to if you were pouring white out over the whole canvas. And it especially uses less of the pigmented paints. That. Okay. My torch here was okay. Torch the bubbles. Try not to burn your plastic in the meantime. Okay. I added my excuse me. I added my Artist Loft Iridescent medium to the deep violet. Next, I'm going to use the metallic cobalt blue. I'm also going to add a little color to the top white corner after I get this laid down. Now I'm going to use the bright aqua green. Now for the rose pink. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same layering. Start up in the corner. Followed by the metallic cobalt blue. Then the bright aqua green. Followed by the rose pink. Now for the gold. Some gold up here too. Yeah, I think this is, I think I'm going to bring the colors out just a bit more. Just to spread, bring more color up and down into the white, into the black. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just a quick little swirl up and down. A thin layer. And what you can do to help the control of the paint you pour out, is to squeeze the cup like that. Okay, I'm going to stand up for this part. Okay. Push it down. I'm going to use popsicle stick to push downward toward the black. Tape's blocking me. I always tape the back. You don't have to tape the back when you do a dip. I just, out of habit, I do it. Push it down. Make sure. Now I'm just going to push down. I'm not going to slide on the canvas. Just going to push down to make sure that the canvas is fully covered for when I lift it. Okay. Let's see. I'm trying to think how I want to lift it. Oh, it's so hot in my kitchen right now. We have a propane heater. Whew. I burn up every time I come in here to paint. I think I'm going to lift toward me. There we go. Let me get my torch. I dropped it. Crap. Let me sit this down. Okay. I'm gonna hit it with the torch, and then I will show you. I don't have enough room to bring it in front of the camera. There's a few areas in the negative space of the black and the white that didn't get fully covered. Okay, so I'm just making sure. Alright, now hit it with the torch. Get those bubbles out, help some cells come forward. Got a few other places to get with some white. As for the sides, I won't do anything to the sides. The paint will drip down a few of the sides, but just where the black is, I'll paint the black, but other than that, I'll leave it be. But here is the result. It'll be like this. The black is the bottom. I'm going to sit it to the side, and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Okay. Here we go. Get my camera to focus. There we go. Got some gorgeous cells here. And if you want less cells on your dips, torch it before you dip it, after you lay down the colors. And then here's the top corner of it. You can see the iridescent shimmer in the purple, the metallic in the cobalt, and the metallic in the gold. It's very pretty. It's going to look amazing with resin on it. But my second attempt at my first ever biggest dip worked. The first time it slid, so it did not do right, but this time it did. So this is my first time, and I love it. I think I'll go bigger. Yeah, we'll go bigger next time. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell.